Hey, it's the Odd Man. I'm out here testing the drone on my home run. This run is 4 miles, and it's out behind my house. So I think of it as my home run. Wasn't meaning to imply that the DJI Neo is a home run, although I think it will probably work. It still scares me when I'm around water, of course. But the overall, this run is a test of the Neo for running. What you're currently looking at is the spotlight effect, where the Neo stays in one place and looks at you. There's a little bit of wind. It's moving around quite a bit, but the image is pretty stable. I think that's a win. Yes, the drone, flop it around in your pocket. It's kind of annoying, but it works. Here we go. You may have noticed the drone doesn't have obstacle avoidance. In rocket mode, the Neo won't follow you either. It just camps in one spot. So I tried to do something creative and ran across the field of view while it was going up. I think that's probably workable, but it's going to take some practice.
Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track.
So this is direction track, and it should back up and then try to predict where I'm headed. I haven't been able to get it to work on this run.
Medium. Direction track. 3, 2, 1. Unable to take off. Aim camera at subject.
It almost takes two hands to do this.
Medium. Direction track. 3, 2, 1.
Ah, there we go. Ooh, it's slippery here. I was gonna run, but Oops. No obstacle avoidance. Thought I was going to lose that baby in the river again. Let's try the direction track between the trees. May be tough. There's a little bit of wind here, maybe 6-7 miles an hour, which I think is supposed to be well within the drone's capability. My experience so far is I kind of feel like it's not as capable in the wind as it could be. Anyway, because of that, I've set it on circle at 33 feet instead of 66 feet. So I don't want it to fly out over the river. Although the wind is at my back, so if it loses its mind, it might end up in the river. But I didn't put the floaty on it. I have all the confidence in the world it's going to work. Okay, here we go. This is circling at 33 feet. Seems to be handling the wind okay. It's clearly tipped trying to... But one of the things about the circle that doesn't work for running is it doesn't circle you. It circles the spot it started at. So I think the key to using the circle or the rocket or any of those is to run past it as it's doing it, because it won't follow you. You can't use follow and circle. Okay, here comes again. One of the things I have to remember with it is it doesn't start recording when it leaves your hand. It always waits a while. I need to set the...
Droney. Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow.
It's small and lightweight and easy to put in your pocket, and the follow mode works pretty well. The other modes appear to have limitations, especially that they won't follow you. And the direction track mode is difficult to get to work properly. The audio is occasionally unreliable. And of course, my pet peeve, it's difficult to fly over water. I think for the price, it's a pretty reasonable drone, and I'll spend more time with it and see if I can't get it to work better for me and you. Thanks for watching.
This is the Odd Man, out.